I hope everyone will find it. Here Riyad Hussain, and I am a student of Government Academy. Today, the topic, there are three topics I am going to describe. First of all, the famous and most precious, about the Holy Quran. Second is nature, and third is about NAMAZ. So I am here going to describe the facts of the Holy Quran. As there are a lot of books in the world, but the famous and most important book is the Holy Quran. I have Holy Quran and I keep reciting the Holy Quran every day in the morning. So it has 114 siparas and
What?
and 30 parts. Its revolution, Ramzan, and revolt to the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And there are 25 prophets mentioned in the Holy Quran. The longest surah is the Surah Baqarah, and shortest is the Surah Kausar. So as a Muslim, we should recite the Holy Quran every day. And second topic is about NAMAZ. NAMAZ is the means we communicate with the Creator, means Allah.
The Creator.
The Creator of means Allah. So it is a way to communication, as a Muslim communication to his Creator. So when we perform NAMAZ, we face the Kaaba, and there are 5 NAMAZs, including I will describe the names. First of all, you as Muslim, every know the names: Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. So we must try prayer 5 times. It is the very way to we live a good life. And third one is nature. Nature is very essential in our life. Nature helps us we live healthy life. It provides resources like water and air. And it is a lot of things like including river, mountains. So we should keep clean and protect homes. It is a very important for our life, as if we look, you wake up early morning, when sun rises in the morning, so you feel happy and hopeful, like dark birds, they singing song in the early morning. So it brings out our happiness, hopeful. It is also the parts of the nature. So that's all. Thank you so much for listening.